Access control lists can be many line items. They're applied inbound or outbound to interfaces. They're looking at different parameters. They can be troubleshooting issues when you go to try to figure out what's actually happening. I think we should take a look at maybe a troubleshooting example to see the type of things you're looking for as you try to troubleshoot an extended access control list. So if we have a scenario built like this with 3 routers, a few switches, some PCs, and then we're supposed to set it up so that we have connectivity, and we don't, what's the problem? In this case, host 192.168.10.10 has no telnet connectivity with 192.168.30.12, and we're assuming that it's supposed to because we said right down here that 192.168.10.0 has the ability to telnet. But then all of a sudden we can't telnet. Why is that? Well, we have to look at the processing. This is access list 110, and we process it from top down. So my first line item right there, line 10, says denied TCP 192.168.10.0. So I'm denying the entire 10 network from accessing anything. Okay, that's great. So we have no ability to communicate for 10. Where's my filter? Where's my access being applied? So here's the access control that's being applied inbound to R3. So we're going to look at the source address and see if it's 10. And if it is 10, we're going to deny it. All right, perfect. Wait a minute, perfect. Who are we trying to talk to? 30.12? 30.12 is right here. So we're looking at the 10 network being denied, and yet we want to have access. In the next line, we say permit 192.168.10.0 for any to have access to telnet. So we're trying to permit telnet here, which is perfectly fine. But what we did was we denied everybody first. So anybody from the 10 network is going to match line item 10. What we really wanted to do was say, look, let's match this line item first. So if you are 10 and you're trying to telnet, then you're okay. The next line should say if you're 10 trying to do anything else, no. So whoever built this access control list needed to swap line 20 and line 10 to make the access control list work. And regardless of who you are, if you're not on the 10 network and you're not trying to telnet, then every other piece of traffic is let through perfectly fine. So we put the permit IP any at the bottom of the list so that we'll have a default catch-all. If you don't match line 10 and you don't match line 20, then you are let through.